Hockey fights can be some of the most exciting moments in the sport, so fans love when players drop their gloves and go at it. One of the best fights in history happened between Dave Tiger Williams and Don Marcotte in the 1970s. I'll put them all in the description so you can look them up. Their battle showcased pure determination and toughness. Another memorable fight was between Bob Probert and Domi. Both were known for their fighting skills, and their matchups in the 1990s was legendary. Probert's size and Domi's speed made for an incredible showdown. In 2024, a famous fight occurred between Andrew Peters and Scott Parker. These two players fought fiercely, thrilling fans in the stands. It was truly a display of strength and grit. And one of the most talked about fights is between Chris Neil and Alex Ovechkin. These two heavyweights clashed. It created a buzz in the hockey world, and their rivalry added to the excitement of the game. Finally, you got the fight between Wayne Gretzky and Marty McSorley. This might surprise you. Even the best players have their moments. These fights add drama to hockey, showcasing just how passionate the players are about the game. Let me know in the comments if this didn't make your list. Which one's your favorite?